Just want to my name is Izike Azanabo Sayande, one of the MMM participants. I just want to thank Segri Mabude for his arrangement on this guidance school. In fact, we really learned a lot. This guidance school, this is where I decided I have to come across the real ideology about MMM, the starting of MMM, the history of MMM, and the biography of MMM, everything about MMM, and then how to make different video, how to post video on YouTube after making video on YouTube, how to get this feedback, exactly what I'm doing now, and make it, and the experiences. If I have how to get a free recorder, in fact, a lot. Going to publishing and sharing ideas, chatting together in a meeting and talking to each other. In fact, it's a great lesson. Once again, I want to thank him and Segri Mabude. I know together we will change the world. Long live MMM. Thank you.